Welcome to Numerah. In this video, we are going to learn how to add and resolve complaints in Numerah. User need to access room management to add complaints. Click on Complaints. On Complaints listing view, user will be able to see Pending, Pending Verified, and Resolve Complaint sections. User can add or log new complaint details by clicking on New. All the heads which are marked with the stars are the mandatory fields. Without it, user cannot save the details. Select room number or area. Numerah will automatically take guest name if room is occupied. Select type of complaint and department from the drop-down. Enter the message if any. Click on Save or Save and Exit button to save these complaint details. User will be able to see pending complaints under Pending section. To resolve this complaint, click on Action button, click on Resolve and confirm it by clicking on Yes. After marking it resolved, the complaint will get moved to Pending Verify section. Once the complaint has been verified by the housekeeping supervisor or executive, user can reopen the complaint by clicking on Reopen if the complaint has not been resolved, or user can mark the complaint as resolved by clicking on Resolve and confirm it by clicking on Yes. All the resolved complaints will be seen under Resolve section. Thank you.